Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Shopify. Smart e-commerce companies drive 20% revenue growth with Get Emails. In a matter of minutes and without a single line of code, Zapier allows you to automatically send info between Get Emails and Shopify. You can use your Get Emails revenue tracking script to capture order information for your Get Emails contacts that land on your Shopify page. Tracking codes typically are used on the order status page. Once data is collected, your dashboard will display your week-over-week ROI from your Get Emails contacts. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.